welcome to another video! And for this 6th video, gagawa ko ng natural glam makeup look. Perfect for events na kailangan mo lang talaga ng onting ayos. Hindi yung super glam, as in pack na eyeshadow, ganun. So without further ado, let's start with the video. So as you can see, ginawa ko na agad yung eyebrows ko and finally, may eyebrow routine na ako. And ililink ko siya dyan sa my iCard para kung gusto nyo panoorin, you can watch that. And I also moisturize my face na. And for this makeup look, mag-start ako sa foundation. And the foundation I'm going to be using is the Maybelline Superstay Foundation. And I'm going to be using a foundation brush with this. Taking one whole pump first, buff it into the skin. Now applying a second pump on the other side of the face. And then I'm going to be using a sponge to smooth the streaks out. Next is concealer, and I'm going to be using the COLOURPOP No Filter Concealer. And using a sponge to blend it out. Now I'm going to be setting my face, and I'm going to be using the Patrick's Powder by MAC. Ito ba yung gagamitin ko? Mahal kasi. Mahal kasi siya. Ayoko gamitin. Pero, sige, gagamitin ko. Para sa video na to, kahit wala akong pupuntahan for you guys. Ito yung powder na ginagamit ko pagka night events. Kasi wala siyang flashback. And then I'm going to be using a sponge to bake the under eyes. And lightly setting the whole face. Now I'm gonna bronze and contour the face, and I'm going to be using the MOIRA Highlight and Contour Palette. And I'm going to be using this shade to bronze up my face. And I'm using an angled brush to apply the bronzer. And I don't contour my face anymore. I just use bronzer para bring back yung color. I don't like the face anymore. And then for the nose contour, I'm going to be using this shade, which is a cool tone brown. With this brush, small nose contouring brush siya. Just lightly contouring my nose. And bringing that here, so it looks like a natural shadow. Now with the same loose powder, I'm gonna bake the sides of the nose para mas pinch siya. And then for eyeshadow, I'm just gonna be using this same bronzer shade with a fluffy eyeshadow brush and just lightly contouring the crease. And bringing the same color on the lower lash line. Now I'm gonna be curling the lashes. And I'm gonna be tight lining using the CARELINE Graph Pink Liner. I can never do eyeliner for my lashes. Oh my god. I said just tight line, not lining the eyes. What the heck? For blush, I'm going to be using the Blush by 3 palette by Sleek Makeup, and I'm going to be using this peachy shade on an angled brush and applying it on the cheeks. Now for lashes, you can either just use mascara, but for me, I'm going to be using these natural pair of falsies. This is from MINISO. This is the 3D eyelashes in natural length. So I'm gonna be using tweezers to apply them. Then for highlighter, I'm going to be using the Sleek Makeup Solstice highlighting palette, and I'm going to be using this shade, which is the most subtle out of all of these. Taking that on a highlighter brush and applying it on the top of the cheekbones. What can I say more about this highlighter? Like, it's so good. And I'm connecting that to the brow bone. A bit on the cupid's bow and the chin. Taking this much brighter shade and I'm going to be using it on the inner corners and my nose.
I have a teeny tiny mouth.
Now for lips, depending on the color, excuse me, depending on the colors of my cheeks, imamatch ko siya sa lips ko. And since my cheeks are more peachy, I'm going to be using the PERIPERA Airy Velvet in number 8. And I usually spray my face with the MILANI Make It Last setting spray, but now I'm not gonna use it. I'm not gonna waste it kasi kokonti na lang siya. And then using a sponge to press the setting spray in, and that is my finished makeup look.
Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Isang dalagang Pilipina. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Isang dalagang Pilipina.
Wow, baby, nais kong nakita yung dalagitang Pilipina.
So this is the finished look. Ayan, nag-hairpin tsaka earrings pa ako para kamukha ko naman yung thumbnail ko kahit paano. And ayan, super simple lang ng makeup look na to. You can achieve this makeup look with different products sa mga ginamit ko sa tutorial na to. Kasi sa sobrang simple niya, as in, magagaya mo to with much more cheaper products than anything that I used in this video. So I hope you guys found this video helpful in any sort of way, lalo na sa mga beginner pa lang sa makeup kasi this makeup look is very beginner friendly. Walang masyadong eyeshadow, simple lang yung base makeup, and yeah. So that is it. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye!